Hello, everyone. Good day. Um, it's officially RoboLearn Digital season, right? The summer is upon us. It's been an amazing term. So let's jump right in. So, what I'm going to do today, my name is Kelechi Uchenna, co-founder and CEO of Nigenius. If you haven't seen this before, this is a demo video on RoboLearn Digital. Throughout this period, I'm going to be doing videos on RoboLearn Digital and showing people the new features and also interesting things your kids and you can do with RoboLearn Digital at first. So what we're going to do today is to tell you how to get from module 1 up until module 2, right? So here's your dashboard. I just logged in, right? My name, you can see my name there is Paul, and I have my continue learning. It also shows you the modules that I've completed. So I've completed module 1, which is human versus robot ability, and I've also completed module 2, which is circuit building as well. There are other recommended courses and videos for you to engage in and daily challenges. Some of them are ready and some of them are still in being built, right? As you can see, I've topped up robo credits, and you can actually buy robo credits from as low as 900, 125, 500 as you want, right, to progress. RoboLearn Digital is now paid. You have to buy robo credits as you proceed. So what I'm going to do is quickly show um, module 2. Let's just go straight to module 2, right? So you click, right, and module 2 starts. Module 2 just takes you straight into building an electric circuit. So I'm just going to click on open and open the simulator. I'm going to join Mr. Smith's class, right? And it's going to show you the different parts of the circuits, right? I have the 9-volt battery, the LED, the resistor, the jumper wires, and the Arduino, right? So once you click on any of these icons, it gives you text about them. Bolt is telling you about what this is, what the Arduino is, what the battery does as you proceed. Then you click on start building. Once you click on start building, you now get into the virtual builder. Remember that RoboLearn was built so that kids can build robots and even build electrical systems in virtual spaces. So even before you jump into building advanced robots, you need to understand what a circuit is, right? So first thing I'm going to do is follow the instructions. So Ada says I should place the Arduino in the space. I'm going to place that. She says I should move the LED. I'm going to place that as well. And I should place the resistor. I'm going to place that as well. So now I need to wire the Arduino to the resistor and the resistor to the LED. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on the resistor, click on the wire button here at the top right. You can see it over there, and I click on the resistor. Then after that, I'm going to now click on the resistor, right? Click on the wire button and connect it to the LED, right? Click on the resistor, click on the wire button and connect it to the LED, right? Then I'm now going to click on start my simulation. And you can see that my simulation is working because the LED bulb has lit up, right? You remember you have to complete module 1 before you get to module 2. But I just went straight to module 2, right? So now after that, I'm going to take a quiz because we want to know if you really understood what happened and also give you some more information about what you just learned. So what is used to build circuits in Tinkercad, right? Definitely electrical components, right? I know it, but we want to find out if you know it as well. I'm going to quickly take my quiz. What does LED stand for? Light emitting diode. What is the purpose of a resistor in a circuit? Then I can now take an assignment. An assignment will now want me to do what I just did again. I'm going to try to do it very fast now. Right? Put in my Arduino, put in my LED, I'm putting my resistor, click on my Arduino, link it to my resistor, then click on my resistor and link it to my LED and run the simulator. Woohoo! Wow, that's really cool. That's really cool. So just basics of electronics for those who are just starting into robotics. And trust me, we've got 2 more exciting modules for you on RoboLearn. So I'm going to submit my assignment and I'm back to the dashboard. Yes, okay. All right, guys, take care till our next video. And just remember that we have the virtual lab challenges progress community and you can buy RoboLearn credits here. And look, this also tells you that you're currently online. RoboLearn Digital also works offline as well. Remember that. Till next time, see you.